Witness testimony. Protecting Matt. Now, the problem with this testimony is not really with the testimony per se. It's about the fact that she says that our client and the victim had a big fight before the murder. And right now, Phoenix is going to present evidence to show that is not the case. Now, if you don't know what to do for this cross-examination, it can be quite difficult. For example, if you press this statement, you can get a new piece of testimony. So you might think, oh, I need to press that statement, get the new piece of testimony, and then present evidence at the new piece of testimony. That's actually not what you're supposed to do. What you're supposed to do is press this statement. This statement about the knife and the button, and then we will get a new statement about the fight between the victim and the defendant. What? Oh, come on, Chief. Don't be so harsh. Odd that the Chief would be so mean when this is the crucial piece of testimony. In case you haven't guessed by now, that button was planted on our client in order to make him look guilty, and the proof of this is the autopsy report.
Objection! Objection!
Why, it happened after the stabbing, which was after the killing. Aha! See, this is the point that Phoenix is driving at. It's clear that the button was used to frame our client. And let me see, who had the opportunity to take a button from the victim's costume? To have a memento of the crime. Some of the options they give you in these Phoenix Wright games are funny. Okay, it looks like the trial is coming to its dramatic conclusion. Well, not really. We're going to have 2 more pieces of testimony, but it's dramatic nonetheless. Aha, we just proved that shows he was trained. Good thing she has lots of pairs of glasses, because otherwise her optometry bill is going to be enormous. Well, this certainly is a great explanation, Phoenix. So is this it? Are we going to hear a confession? Or is Edgeworth going to throw out an objection? What? Oh no! She's going to plead the fifth! Okay, so Phoenix thinks that Franziska von Karma planted this pleading the fifth idea in Adrian's head. Thanks, Chief. Wait, what haven't I done? Uh-oh. Edgeworth is laughing again. It is never a good sign when Edgeworth starts laughing at our explanations. Ooh, he kind of has a point. So I guess in the next piece of testimony, we're going to have to prove the motive. We know what the motive is, so it should be easy enough to prove.